Hi Libra, welcome to Omkara Tarot, and let's do your monthly read, monthly general read. These are general collective readings, Libra, will not resonate with each and every one of you. So take what works for you, leave the rest. So let's begin. A warm welcome back to all my subscribers. Thank you so much for all the love that you've been sharing. And if you're new here, we welcome you to our little Omkara family. We meet here weekly. So do subscribe and join our channel. Let's begin here. Dear God, goddesses, angels, spirit guides, please bless this reading for Libra and send us the messages they need to hear the most to make their September really, really good and prosperous. Thank you. So Libra, let's begin. This is going to be focused totally on my Libras as to what you need to know to have a good month going forward. What are your blockages and what's the secret message from the universe for you to make this month even better. So here's your current position, recent past, coming up. What is it that you're holding on to or should hold on to? What is it that you should let go of? What can be your biggest hurdles this month? How do people view you? And the secret message from the universe. So before I start this reading, Libra, I'm going to top it with an angel blessing card for you as well. So my angels, what do you have for Libra this month, for September? Please give them a blessing or an advice card, which is especially for my Libra. Has there been something which is not moving in your life, Libra? There's been a bit of a pause, right? Maybe you're not having any conversation, there's no communication, because I had these two cards come in together, which is the pause card. There's something in your life is right now stagnant, right? It's not moving ahead, and maybe there's problems in communication regarding this as well. I see you also waiting for some news or somebody or something, and this is just a pause in your life, Libra. I know it's very, very burdening to you right now. It must be feeling like the weight of the world is on your shoulders, but please know, very soon, be optimistic. The wheel of fortune is soon going to move, in a very positive direction for you. This is the second angel card I got, was be optimistic. Okay, in case things have not been working out and there's been not much movement in a certain area of your life, instead of just waiting around, be optimistic and know that this is just a pause. So, things will get better. So let's see what we're working with here, Libra, this month. And yes, all of you who are reaching out for personal readings, I have a small request, Libra. When you send me an email, which is there in the description box below, in the subject matter, please write personal reading - the country you're from. Even if you're in the US, mention the state, because that just saves me a lot of time to give you a good time slot which works for both of us. Okay, so that's my personal request. Thank you. Otherwise, there are 10 emails that go back and forth to say, can you do a reading? Yes, I can. Where are you from? I'm from here. What is a good time? So help me out here, please. Page of Swords in reverse is your current position. You feel, yes, things are not really great right now. Either you feel somebody's creating mischief. Oh my God, so much mischief that all the cards just wanted to fly off. We just collect these cards. Yeah. So this Page of Swords is immediately telling me the same story, Libra, that some venture or something has come to a stop. Okay, it's the same card as the pause card. Something has come to something that, there is unwillingness, on somebody's part here. Could be you, Libra, on taking a risk with something. You don't want to take that risk to move something forward. Maybe ego is getting in the middle. Okay, this could be you, could be somebody else, but because of this ego and being scared of taking a risk in life. Sorry, Libra. This reading has getting a lot of interruptions. the noise outside, and then the phone rang, and then the cards flipped over. So things are not really going very smooth, it seems, in whatever aspect of your life that you're thinking of right now. Cards are not staying. There is somebody here who's really angry, somebody who's in not their best, happiest space. There's somebody here who's got their ego intact and they don't want to take a chance. Somebody is blocking this connection or whatever venture that you're trying to do. It's almost like, there's been a death to this past situation. If nobody moves quickly enough, this pause is going to turn into a complete halt. So be mindful of that, Libra. Right now I see that ego, pride and unwillingness to take a risk is the reason for this pause. Okay, and if this defensive behavior continues, it may just bring an end to this situation altogether. Let's see what happened in your recent past for this blockage to happen, Libra. 6 of Swords, upright. So yes, somebody moved away from you, or did you move away from somebody, Libra? Things were really rocky, and maybe there were fights or whatever, things were turbulent, and one person just walked away, left the situation behind and moved away to a happier place for themselves and turned their back. Either you turned your back on somebody, Libra, or somebody else turned their back on you and decided, I'm no longer interested in kind of being part of a conflicting or somebody was brave enough to do that. Somebody here was brave enough. They took their self-respect, their pride, whatever, and moved away. And there's a fine line between being brave, having self-worth, and being egoistic as well. So there is a possibility when this person walked away and turned their back, the other person got into their ego and did the same thing. And now there is a pause going on, a big pause going on, right? So let's see what we have for September. 8 of Cups in reverse. Oh, Libra, there's a possibility of somebody coming back. This pause may just come to an end because it shows that somebody may make an effort. Right now there's a lot of healing going on. There's a lot of thinking, wishing, fantasizing, hoping, but no action being taken. Absolutely zero action being taken. They are now coming to that realization. Libra, this could be you, this could be your cross watcher, right? So after taking this time out, after all this reflection time of healing and thinking of what happened and why things went wrong, one person has come to the realization that, and it's very clear to them now, okay, that there is a lot of love in this situation. Ace of Cups is how this person is feeling. Now Libra, this could be you, this could be your cross watcher who's left you and now, wishing that they could return back to you, or this could be you who maybe you were in your ego and pride earlier, and now that this person has walked away from your life, now you have given yourself time of reflection, self-reflection. You've thought about all the investment you put or you didn't put in the past, and you've realized, oh my God, what have I done? I'm clear about the fact that I really love this person a lot, and maybe I want to return back to them. So what is it that you're holding on to? Okay. Spirit is saying, Libra, right now you are still holding on to your mental turbulence, right? You are keeping yourself totally stressed out. This is the time not to hold on to this. Okay, look at this person, totally stressed out, in their head, eyes closed, swords all around. Nobody is holding this person back except themselves. So Spirit is saying it's time to come out of this zone now. Don't overthink the situation. Like this person who went into healing, lay down your swords now. Okay, lay down your swords beside you. It's time now to think with your heart, okay, with this big cup of love, instead of only using your sword or your head and staying stuck and stressed out about the situation. Let's see, 8 of Swords, Spirit. 8 of Swords. You're still holding on to the fact that there your mind tells you that there is no way, that a new way or a new path is even available to you anymore. You want a rebirth, but you are stopping your own self by saying, no, it's not possible. I can't have it. I won't be able to do it. It'll never work out. So Spirit is saying, as much as I am ready to help you here, give you a restart and a re-beginning, or move forward in your life, here you are negating that, right? You're negating it with all these words which are in your head, saying, oh, it's not possible. I'm not even going to try. Why should I try if I'm going to fail? So Spirit is saying, this month, Libra, they're requesting you that please get out of your head and more into your heart space. So what is it that you should let go of now? Yes, get rid of all these barriers and walls that you've built around yourself, Libra. You're keeping yourself very, very guarded. You're not allowing anyone into your heart space. You maybe have a fear of being hurt again, or maybe you've been hurt many times in the past, and that has made you feel very defensive. So Spirit is saying it's time to let go of this now. Drop all these ones and free yourself from this, prison that you've, kind of encaged yourself in. It's like a fortress you've built around yourself. It's time to put your guard down. Let go of them. Let go of all the self-imprisonment with swords and wands and whatever. And also Spirit is saying, let go of this procrastination. You are stalling progress. Look at this horse. Not one leg ahead of the other. So how is it ever going to reach anywhere? So Spirit is saying it's time to let go of being that stagnant in your life. You have to move forward. And the only way, this horse can go anywhere if there is no barrier. So first you have to remove this barrier from your life, remove all the swords which are in your head, and give this horse a little jolt to say, run now, move. Let's see, what's your biggest blockage? Biggest blockage again, same thing. Ace of Wands in reverse. Not following your passions. You know exactly what you want, Libra. You can put it down in the comment to say, no, I'm wrong. But you know exactly what you want, but your blockage is that you're not taking any action towards it. Yeah, you're keeping yourself totally stuck. You want this, I can guarantee you that. You want this forward movement, you want this Ace of Wands to move in your favor, you want to rush ahead passionately, but here you are, hanging by a tree. Now you've removed your legs also from the ground. Where are you going to walk? So this has become a blockage in your life, that I am not going to move, I can't move, I'm stuck. Heart of Hearts, all you want is a reunion. All you want is happiness. All you want is to go out there and be very clear. This is what you're supposed to do to remove this blockage from your life. Libra, this is your card, right? You're an air sign. So this King of Swords is you. So Spirit is saying, pick up that sword, one sword, to have clear-cut communication. And if you want to move ahead with happiness and joy and maybe have a reunion with somebody, you have to take action. Okay? Forward action. Don't keep yourself stuck, because this is going to become a blockage and it's going to bring a death to this, whatever you want in your life. Would you like that? Or would you want this death card to transform into a beautiful, bright future which is available for you? But Libra, here you are putting a pause. Let's see how people see you, or the person sees you. People around you see you are very happy, 10 of Cups. You have everything that you wish. You are not wanting to accept any love offers. You're not giving any love offers. You're totally satisfied and happy in your life. You don't need another living soul to give you the happiness that you need. And maybe you have friends and family around you who give you happiness. And there's nothing that you lack. This is how people view you. They see you as, moving passionately ahead in your life and having fun. This Knight of Wands has a lot of fun. He just goes wherever he wants. He takes what he wants. He trots off to a new direction. Again, takes what he wants and leaves when he wants. So this is one knight who is passionate and is kind of self-indulgent. Okay, does stuff for themselves to keep themselves in this Ten of Cups energy. So people see that you are lacking for nothing and you are a lone ranger. You are only there for your own self and very happy doing that, not apologetic to the world. But are you really like that, Libra? Because here I see you all stressed out and guarding yourself. Or is this just a thing that you portray? It's a mask that you wear for other people to see. Okay, at least be honest with yourself. If you were this happy, Libra, you would not be feeling in the pause energy. Okay, you would not have all these swords. You would not have all these guards around you. But this is how people are viewing you. So you're doing a great job of, you have a nice mask. In this COVID time, Libra, where are you getting your masks? Let's see, what is Spirit's secret message for you? Spirit's secret message is exactly what I said. Stop juggling. Stop juggling. Stop, fooling people and feeling some other way. Stop going back and forth in your mind. Stop overthinking things. This is Spirit's secret message to you. Bring back some balance in your life, okay? Things are imbalanced. The way you're living your life right now, this could be you, could be your cross-watcher, so don't hate me. But this is what Spirit is saying. This is not the time to juggle. Your wheel of fortune has to now move forward in a positive direction. And we are there to help you as long as you stop juggling. You just keep going back and forth with your own thoughts. One day you want something and the other day you don't want it. One day you're going one direction, the other day you're going in some other direction, just like this Knight of Wands. Okay? So Spirit is saying, if you want us to help you, then you have to also help us. And Spirit is also saying that instead of, keeping yourself totally guarded and moving ahead in a rash way, and just maybe spying on the person you need or the job you need or the work, whatever you're doing, you have to be very careful, Libra. This is Spirit saying this. I'm not saying it, so don't hate me. Spirit is saying that you have to be a bit careful of your words. Sometimes the way you communicate with people, it comes across as really harsh and mean, maybe hurts the other person. So be a bit mindful of what is it that you say to people which pushes them back from you. Okay? And communication is a big blockage in your life. Be very mindful of what are the words you use. Even if you're using nice, sweet words, Libra, and they're not authentic, like if you tell somebody offers you, let's say, a piece of cake, and you say, hey, I've got a stomach ache, thank you so much for offering it to me, but I'm really not hungry right now, I've just had a big meal. They're going to believe you, just like they're believing you that you're in the Ten of Cups energy, right? So what are you telling people? You're saying something and you expect a different result. It doesn't happen that way. So whether you're saying good or bad, be authentic and be true. If you want something, say you want it. If you don't want something, say it nicely, gently, so the other person doesn't get upset or, hurt either. So anything else, Spirit, for my Libra here? Anything else for my Libra? Yeah, Spirit says now enough of this. You can hide from the world. You can't hide from us, Libra. We're watching you and we see all the stress and tension that you cry in your sleep. Maybe when you're about to go to bed, that's the time you do all your worrying. Maybe not in front of other people, but now it's time to get rid of all that and send in that message, send in that positive forward communication to whatever it is that you really want in your life. If it's a job offer, apply. If you don't apply, how are you going to get it? Okay, if it's a relationship, then you have to reach out to the person. So whatever you need in your life, Libra, you have to put in some positive forward movement towards it instead of just sitting here and worrying and stressing about it. So that is what Spirit has for you. So yes, and there is a possibility after this you can move ahead. This was your first card, right? Moving ahead out of troubled waters into calmer times. It's just a matter of how are you going to approach life now. Okay? That's all I have for you. Take care. Love and light. Namaste. See you next week for your love read. Bye.